This is Alan Bush with the Daily Financial Forecast for Tuesday, November 2nd. Stock index futures yesterday putting in a very good performance with the major indices closing at record highs. Also, we are seeing prices higher this morning. Also, we have the Fed meeting today and tomorrow. Not really much to be reported today. However, we will get a statement from the Fed tomorrow after the meeting. Also, Fed Chair Powell will conduct a press conference. So analysts at this point anticipating that the Fed will announce some type of tapering of its $120 billion a month in asset purchases. So I think that is likely to be the case. One thing that many analysts are having a difficult time with, that is explaining why stock index futures have been so strong, even though central banks to one degree or another recently have been withdrawing some of the accommodation. So my feeling is that the fundamentals that really matter are still supportive. So I think we can see continued strength in the indices despite this reduction in accommodation from a variety of central banks. Moving over to the currencies, the dollar index trading a little bit higher. And I think in advance of the Fed meeting, we will probably see the dollar continue to remain strong. Once the meeting is out of the way, I will only be neutral to dollar index, as the interest rate differential expectations advantage, I think, is then diminished. And in the interest rate futures markets, seeing the 30-year Treasury bond futures, I believe, advancing once the Fed meeting is out of the way and once the anticipated bearish tapering news is released. So between now and then, look for a sideways trade in the bonds, but after the meeting, I would expect a new leg higher for the 30-year Treasury bond futures. So good trading, everyone. Once again, remember, these are my opinions alone and are not the opinions of ADMIS or ADM.